Good night, veggies. Sunset in the garden. Robins in their nest. Tossing, turning veggies need to get some rest. Turnips tucked in tightly, potatoes closing eyes. Tuckered out tomatoes, humming lullabies. Cuddly cauliflowers, droopy pods of peas. Rhubarbs reading stories to worn-out broccolis. Baby carrots snuggling, baby lettuce too. Baby eggplants dreaming of places far and new. Cucumbers are calm, lined up nice and neat. Golden yams are still, and beets are simply beet. Cabbages are nodding their leafy, sleepy heads. Radishes are dozing in cozy garden beds. Celery is snoring as sunset disappears. Cranky corn rolls over and covers up its ears. Every veggie's snoozing beneath the moon so bright. For nothing's more exhausting than growing day and night. Good night, sleepy veggies. Sleep tight.